What is going on? My name is Josh Blanch. That is Zach Blanch. We're gonna be going on an absolute adventure. We're gonna be going through New Mexico, Arizona, down to California, all the way up to Nevada, back through Utah, and then come over here. That's what it is, what we do. So basically, for the past like 7 months, me and Zach have been planning this trip to go out to California with both of our homies and just chill, just go have a good time, film, and get tons, and I mean absolutely tons of B-roll and footage. It's gonna be a good time. About to leave in that amazing van right there. Oh geez, it's been a long time coming and I'm so hyped. Gonna bring you guys around for the journey. And the room is completely cleared out, all clean. We ready, baby? House, except for this pool, is clean. It's time to go.
We're off to see the world, the wonderful world for us.
Showed up to the new park, next to the new park. Oh.
Back to back. Nice. Yeah.
With ease, bro, with ease.
Whole ass.
He undid the tortilla burrito.
Finn's sword got me.
Oh, you got done in.
It's okay, it needs to draw blood though, that's the point of it, right?
Right. Right.
I got a better one in me though.
Wait. Oh
Hold on,
jeez.
watch this, watch this.
Two in one day. What is up, guys? It is Josh Blanch here. We are with the boys right now. We're getting ready to get going. Nathaniel. That's Nathaniel Lujan, the pro here, huh?
Yes, it's the very good pro.
We got the twat a lot. taking showers, being late, you know what it is. July 7th, it is currently 11:15. This guy thinks it's smart to shoot the shot with the lens cap on like an absolute pro. Is that a question?
Do you have one? Like,
what is it?
not
Like
stuck?
what? All right, here we go. We're gonna go sticker slapping the whole van. Slowly but surely.
We're gonna put a lot on right now. Yeah, we like Spitfire. Let's wheel out there, everyone.
Show them what we got. Show them what we got. All of them, bro. All of them. Look at this. Oh no.
I'm gonna bring it.
The Jake ones are on the inside, or where you can put
Yeah,
them?
they go on the windows, on the back, left and right.
Oh, right in the back?
At the very top.
That was a really slapper. Slapped.
Babies are like sun boiled.
Oh, I know, dude. These things get like stuck.
Got it, got it.
These organic ones are put on like he's looking at Baker like, hey.
So Nathan's got his whole little section back here. What is up, guys? We just rolled up to the first skate park. Zach doesn't have his shoes on. It is Parker. We're gonna be using trash boards because it's wet.
No freshies now.
Freshy tricks, bro. Anyways, we're at the park. We just showed up. Never skated it. Wanted to skate it. Gonna skate it. It's wet. Gonna squeegee it. Gotta roll up to the park switch. No one can know what stance we are. First thoughts of the park.
Yeah, this place is pretty cool. What do you guys want to see? I'm gonna do a feeble and then a Smith, I suppose.
That was good.
That was really good, huh?
Yeah.
Yeah, people.
currently skating Parker, and as you can see, very windy. So that might be the determining factor of us leaving and setting up for the night. We'll see. Nathan's gonna get this chick right here, guaranteed. That's pretty good, dude.
Hold on.
Snakes.
I'm gonna hit that hubba. Probably back tail or back one.
Doubt it.
You're right, I should probably check it on the wax. That was nice. That was good.
That's good.
No, it feels cool hopping into that.
Cammy the camera.
I'm pretty good.
Not too crazy, but hey, you practicing, dude.
Right in your eye hole.
What's up, everybody? Zach Blanche here, and we're just in Walmart after a long first day skating. Oh, wait, yeah, that was right. After a long first day skating.
We out here at Walmart getting a couple things for the van. Gonna get some grub, you know what it is.
For the potty.
And we're gonna go potty. It's potty time.
I don't know where our friends went.
Yeah, our friends ditched us somewhere.
We're just kind of lost, so.
Or they're lost.
One of the two. We got the stuff. And the keys.
So basically we win, they lose. Piñata.
And I found
Wow.
some fresh kicks. You got the wool shoes, dude? Fresh, all the time. Slip on Yeezys, dude. Yeah, those are mine.
See?
Oh, these ones are my pro model. Kind of wanted to go with the old school, like, you know how they had the bandanas and they had like the print on there?
Mm-hmm.
But they said it was copyright, so I got close, right?
Yeah. We just finished the Walmart trip. We getting it. Nathan's shining a red dot on my forehead. Let's get it. Nathan sucks.